Hello friends, welcome to the Luxy Hair channel. Maya Capranis here. I am so happy to be back on the Luxy channel and doing a fun little tutorial with you guys today. We are going to be doing a faux imitation curtain bang, and I love it so much because it totally eliminates the commitment of actually having to chop your hair into real curtain bangs. If you are anything like me, you will probably have 100 pins saved to a board in Pinterest, planning on getting curtain bangs, but then when you actually go to the hairdresser, you totally bail out because you are scared of the commitment, and I am so guilty of this. So everything that you will need to achieve this look will be a round barrel brush, a little round swirly thing. I'm not sure what this is called, but it really keeps the hair in place. That's what the old nonnas wear them. Gotta love it. And also some dry texturizing spray with some hairspray, along with a scrunchie and a hair clip and the classic signature Luxy hair curler. So this is my hair naturally air dried out of the shower. It doesn't really dry straight and it doesn't really dry nice and curly. It kind of dries in like this frizzy, fluffy, sort of subtly wavy style, and I've just come to terms with it. I kind of like it now. I like that it's thick, and I've just embraced my hair the way it is. And something you might notice about my hair is that it's also very layered. So I do have a blunt chop. I chopped it quite short a couple months ago and it started to grow out, but I've always had layers that are face framing, and something that's super important to kind of keep in mind for creating the illusion of faux curtain bangs is that you will need some layers around your face. You can use these longer face framing pieces to really create that illusion. So what we're gonna do is just tie all the rest of my hair back and focus on these front pieces. And I might have to add a little bit of water to the front pieces that I'm going to be styling just because they kind of dried by the time that I set up. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna wet my bangs a little bit and then we are gonna get to the tutorial. So now that my front framing pieces are a little bit more damp and easier to style, I'm gonna take my trusty little Luxy scrunchie and I'm going to take the rest of my hair and put it in a low pony just so it's comfortable and doesn't get in the way of styling, and I'm going to pull these pieces forward. So now that I have pulled my front pieces out, I'm going to take my barrel brush and I'm going to simply eliminate that middle part, and I'm gonna style it after, so don't worry, you're not gonna have like a weird swoosh or side bang action going on. You're still gonna have your middle part, but we are going to brush it out because this is the part that we need to style most. So instead of curling down towards your face, we are going to actually do the opposite and apply the brush on the outside and pull it upwards. Almost like, think alfalfa, but we are doing it for the windswept vibe, and you will see once I finish actually drying my hair, it'll look pretty cool. This is just the funny part about the whole thing. Okay, so I'm going to apply it like so and kind of just spin my hair around the brush and get a tight hold. So I feel like I can't dry my faux curtain bangs any more than I've already dried them. So now I'm gonna hold them in place just to really form that shape and help with the overall styling process. Oh my gosh. Do you guys remember back in the day, like Snooki, Jersey Shore, where they used to actually do this to their hair and then clip it like that? I kind of look like Elvis, maybe. Who's that, John Travolta? Yeah, this is kind of the vibe that we're going for with this, but we're not going for that style, so we're gonna just switch that up. Okay, so next we are going to eliminate the Snooki poof and create that middle part that we originally had, and we are going to just kind of let it naturally fall, but then pull it forward a little bit so it still kind of frames your face, but covers your forehead the same way that curtain bangs would. The whole kind of style and concept of curtain bangs itself is to really cover your forehead while leaving kind of like a little bit of a peak. So think curtains like this. This is what curtain bangs look like, and we're gonna do that with the faux effect, and it might not look exactly like curtain bangs, but it's gonna be real damn close. So this is what a faux curtain bang looks like. You can kind of tell that it's a mix between a blowout mixed with a bit of a faux curtain bang. So this is really the overall style, and you can see that it has that natural swoosh. It really frames the face well. It still covers parts of the forehead and really just complements all of the features. I just really love the style of curtain bangs. I think they're so beautiful, but I do have commitment issues when it comes to actually chopping bangs, and I know that it's a lot of upkeep. So now I'm going to finish styling my hair. I'm gonna clip in my hair extensions and style them and show you the finished result. So just to make sure that our faux curtain bangs keep their shape, I grabbed a little roller that I placed them in my faux curtain bangs just to hold the shape, and so it doesn't flatten while I begin to clip in my hair extensions and do the whole styling process. I am going to begin styling my hair and applying my hair extensions, and today I'm going to be wearing my seamless ash brown highlight hair extensions in the 16-inch length. And this is just like the best color for my hair that I have ever seen or had. So I'm going to apply these and style them with my Luxy signature hair curler. The best hair curler I've ever used in my life. It is amazing. It has a 1-inch barrel. It has an auto off feature, so it'll turn off after an hour. If you leave it on, you won't burn down the house, and it is amazing. And look at that extra extended barrel. It's perfect for hair extensions, by the way, just because it'll curl your hair all in one go. And the worst thing ever is when you curl your hair and you have to repeat adding heat on one piece of hair. You only have to do this once with this bad boy. It's amazing, and I'm going to run it through my hair and just really give it kind of that loose wave and then style it with my curtain bangs. So now that I have my hair extensions clipped into my hair, I am going to let down my faux curtain bangs and just style them to make sure that everything blends seamlessly, and we are going to be done with this look. I'm sorry, but look at that beautiful swoosh that we achieved with the round barrel brush. It is so seamless. I will typically take my faux curtain bangs and spray a little bit of dry texturizing spray underneath just to really hold it up and give it that extra volume that it needs. So a little tip that I usually do is I will hold my curtain bangs together like this and take a little bit of hairspray and just spray the inner part of your faux curtain bangs. And to make sure that your swooshes stay all day long, I usually take a little bit of hairspray, I'll hold them up and give it a quick little spritz. And there you have it, you guys. This is how you style a faux imitation curtain bang without actually having to commit to cutting your hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope that you learned something new. If you would like to drop a comment and drop a like, that would be amazing. Thank you so much again for watching and I hope that you enjoy the rest of your day.